Okay, so an issue I found here is this is where the control panel sits. The screws just bolt in there. So this thing here is loose. It needs to be tight like this side. That way the control panel doesn't move when you're swinging those wheels around. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to screw it nice and tight. Okay. One screw, and I'll just paint that black later. Actually, I think the metal probably, or the control panel will even just cover that up. So anyway, nice and, come on, focus. Focus. There we go. Anyway, so nice and tight. Come down. So there we go. Okay, so I'm going to be taking now my wheel apart here, steering wheel apart for my Sprint 2, and actually I'm going to be taking both of them apart and cleaning them up and re-lubing them because they are pretty rough right now. So anyway, so this is the first time I've ever done this, so looks like you just take screws off of here for the board. Pop this up, you can pull the board off, take these screws off, and the rest is just like the practice wheel I had, the broken one, taking it all apart and then re-lubing it. And so I'm going to be busted up one that I have. I'm just going to take it apart to show you. Actually, this is the first time I've ever taken it apart, so let's see what it looks like together. Here we go. So looks like it's just a washer and the comb that goes through the sensor. And then you pull this off. Looks like there's another little white washer of some kind, spacer, and another spacer on this side. So looks like that just goes down there like that. That's probably, yeah, I'm not sure exactly why that's there, but looks like it's full of grease. So there's your lithium grease right there, and that's alright. I'm gonna just go ahead and just take these screws off and see what happens, see what it looks like underneath here, see how this comes apart. Greasy and slimy. Greasy and slimy. Oh, okay, so obviously that pops off the front of it. And it probably just comes right off. Let's see what's going on. Oh, look at that. There's another screw on the front. Holds that whole back into place. And look at that. It's a big, big screw. And yep. Keeps coming and coming. Come on. Alright, I'm gonna finish taking this off and I'll show it to you what it looks like after. Okay, so here you go. You got this piece here, obviously where this big giant screw goes in. And there we are. There's all the pieces to the wheel puzzle right there for a Sprint 2. Okay, so this steering wheel has lots of rust on it, as you can see. So basically I just used an SOS pad, and this is the results. So see, there's still some bumps and stuff, but it looks so much better. Those are the two I did with the SOS pad. Haven't done this one yet. And the inside is same way. Has the rust in it. A little bit of rust here and there. So I'm just going to use the SOS pad on all that. So just your basic SOS pad helped me with all that. Alright, so as you can see here, I got steering wheel I'm going to clean. Got all the rust on it. So this is the SOS pad. I'm just going to show you how well it works. Let's give it some scrubbing. Some of the rust is a little deeper, so I just had to scrub a little longer, but excuse my dogs. Anyway, so let's just rinse that off and I'll show you what it looks like. So you can see the difference just a little bit of scrubbing does. So I'll scrub the rest of it, make sure I get all the ones that are a little bit deeper, and just scrub a little harder to get that. So that's that. SOS pad to the rescue.